How to use Chip Invest properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people assume Chip Invest is the same as its savings platform, but the surprising truth is beginners often miss features that can accelerate wealth building. Here's how to use it properly. Chip Invest focuses on automated investing with portfolios tailored to your risk tolerance. The first mistake is skipping risk selection. Choosing an unsuitable risk level can lead to poor returns or undue stress during market swings. The second mistake is neglecting automated contributions. Regular, consistent deposits leverage compounding, while sporadic investing slows growth. Another common error is ignoring portfolio rebalancing. Chip automatically adjusts allocations, but reviewing performance ensures your portfolio aligns with your goals. Beginners also overlook educational resources. Chip provides guidance on investment principles. Ignoring this reduces the app's full value. Finally, failing to set milestones is a mistake. Monitoring progress toward short-term and long-term goals helps maintain discipline and motivation. Used correctly, Chip Invest is more than an automated investing app. It's a strategic wealth-building tool. Choose the right risk level, automate contributions, review portfolios, use educational resources, and track milestones. Avoiding these mistakes ensures smarter investing and better long-term outcomes.